Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at memberall.com, a site that claims to offer gift cards and rewards just for signing up. It sounds exciting, provided you also believe the check is in the mail and your car's extended warranty is actually expiring. First off, this domain was registered in September 2025. Apparently, these guys are time travelers, because having zero history is the ultimate red flag for anyone not living in a sci-fi novel. They haven't been around long enough to prove they're reliable, which is usually step one in not being a scam. It gets weirder. When you try to visit the site, it immediately redirects you to productreviewertoday.com. There's nothing quite like a business that's too embarrassed to show you its own homepage. This kind of digital bait and switch is a classic way to hijack traffic or, even better, compromise your personal information. They've also plastered the Aldi logo everywhere without any proof of an actual partnership. It's basically the corporate equivalent of wearing a lab coat and expecting people to call you doctor. It's misleading and does absolutely nothing for their credibility. If you run into trouble, don't expect any help. There is no email, no phone number, and no live chat. I suppose if you have a question, you're meant to shout it into a dark alley and wait for an echo. Legit businesses usually make it easy to reach them, but these guys are playing a high-stakes game of hide and seek. To top it off, there are absolutely no user reviews on Trustpilot or Reddit. It's as if the site exists in a vacuum where no human has ever actually set foot. To wrap this up, memberall.com is a collection of red flags held together by wishful thinking. Between the shady redirects, the borrowed branding, and the total lack of accountability, this site is a high-speed train wreck. My advice is to stay safe, keep your personal info to yourself, and avoid this site like a wet park bench. Thanks for hanging out and watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that won't waste your time.